We know that the crypto world is highly volatile, but a much unknown coin, REN, has recently witnessed an enormous surge. Have you wondered why? We have the answer to this question, so please stay till the end. Hello and welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to talk about the most undervalued DeFi token, REN. So stay tuned till the end of the video to learn about REN crypto and its price in 2021. But before we get into the video, this video's information is purely for educational and entertainment purposes. It is not intended to be investing, financial, or trading advice. The cryptocurrency markets are highly volatile and crypto investments are risky. So before making any crypto investments, you should conduct your study on cryptocurrencies and consult with your financial advisor. So let's jump into our topic. REN is a decentralized exchange platform that enables traders to trade high-value assets without significantly affecting the price of the assets. The platform has given a solution to the quickly growing cryptocurrency market, and it has achieved an all-time high of $1.83. Its all-time low price is $0.01539. REN is used to transfer large amounts of cryptocurrencies. Since the transactions are made over decentralized nodes, nobody will have any information about the charges, and it works as a peer-to-peer community. REN Crypto is an unknown cryptocurrency that has witnessed a significant jump in price recently. REN Crypto is an Ethereum-based token that powers REN's open protocol network to transfer cryptocurrencies between various blockchains. The team behind REN tries to bring popular assets like Bitcoin and Zcash to blockchains like Ethereum, making it feasible for these crypto assets to engage in a multi-chain decentralized ecosystem. The team behind REN began creating a decentralized dark pool where the blockchain orders were unknown until 2017, but later decided to concentrate more on the interoperability between different blockchains. Recently, the REN protocol started their Polygon bridge, which caused the sudden price rise. REN's protocol major selling point is that any app based on the Ethereum network can use REN's interoperability layer in their smart contracts. REN charges fees for internal operations, but most do not directly go towards profitability instead of paying miners. As an ERC20 token, REN also draws varying gas fees to power transactions. The complete ecosystem of the REN project is open source, capitalizing on the merits of Bitcoin and Ethereum. REN assures crystal clear transparency and complete transaction confidentiality in the network. Even though actions are recorded in the general blockchain, neither the sender nor the receiver, and not even the value transferred, is in any way apparent to other users on the network. The complete framework relies not only on zero-disclosure evidence but sub-zero via REN VM, thereby enabling mathematical consistency of the whole transaction procedure, which is cross-checked without revealing any data or message on the other party involved in the transaction, putting the power eventually in the user's hands. REN has regular upgrade schedules, which indicates this protocol is adaptable to satisfy the various use cases of today and the unforeseen use cases of tomorrow. REN can deceive fraudulent or deceptive transactions by peers wherein a confirmed block can trace the preceding block. REN is based on cryptographic systems that rely on sub-zero disclosure data and mathematical consistency of the entire blockchain-enabled transaction, which is cross-checked without disclosing any data or message on the other party associated with the transaction. Hence, security obstacles are restricted first. A salient characteristic of this protocol is that it guarantees liquidity and the lightning-fast speed of transactions on the network. With Bitcoin sprinting up to become a public choice in 2019, it gave momentum to altcoins' prices, including the price of REN, and it reached an all-time high of 15 cents. The remarkable rally of the REN USD price continued with marginal corrections before making a difference of 9 cents at the end of 2019. Like many other cryptocurrencies, the REN price too is vulnerable to market movements and sentiments. However, despite being highly volatile, REN price has given notable price action over the long term. Permission too can't be neglected for REN price, as some specialists opine that the coin price falls short of an invading planning strategy and the marketing gimmicks. REN price prediction has somersaulted in the last year, totally transforming the trend from the beginning towards the end of the year. REN has had a memorable journey throughout. All said and done, REN's movement has been quite aggressive, leading to a promising path. The REN price may increase in leaps and bounds, especially for alliances. New partnership would bring REN to the limelight, making it the center stage for investments and a socially esteemed cryptocurrency. The opening of 2021 meant REN prices could bid goodbye to all pessimistic price trends for the world of cryptocurrencies, especially for the REN market. It could mean the start of an era of promises and hopes full of optimism. There could be a prediction of miracles in the world of cryptocurrencies like REN. There could be magic in the short term. By the end of 2021, the REN price might cross the $1.4 level. By the end of 2022, the REN price might cross the $2 price level. With a bit of patience and holding the hopes high in the long term, investors can anticipate a turnaround by the end of 2025, as the adoption of REN would grow exponentially by when REN would be no more a naive entrant into the world of cryptocurrencies, but a seasoned player at $5. REN can be a valuable investment option. REN price was $0.335 USD at the beginning of this year. A long-term price increase is expected by 2025, which is around $5. So that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. What do you think about REN? Would you invest in it? Do let us know.